Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It may sound a little echoey in here. We are currently moving to a new house, hence the completely blank wall right here. But I wanted to film a quick little fun DIY for you guys today. This little girl right here is turning 2 in about a month, in a few weeks. So I was trying to think of DIYs that I could do kind of birthday themed. So today I made a little cake topper. I don't know if this will be the one to use on her cake because I don't know if it'll last that long. But I love the pictures of like balloon arches, the huge ones, so I thought it would be fun to do like a little mini one with greenery as just like a cake topper. And I think it turned out so cute. You want a bottle? Yeah. Okay, I'll get you one in just a minute. So this is what I'm going to show you guys how to make today. It's super simple. Okay, what do you want in your baba? Juice. You want juice? Okay, first we have to say bye-bye to our friends. Say watch the video. Say bye. Bye. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make this super cute balloon arch cake topper, then keep on watching. Pink? Yeah. Pink. Lots of pinks. It's on your head. Okay, to make this, I just got a bag of mini balloons and I just blew them up as tiny as I could, kind of all different sizes. And then I just got some greenery from Trader Joe's and then 2 skewers. And so just using the balloons that I blew up, I'm just going to arrange them without gluing them first, just arrange them how I think I want them to look, and then using my glue gun, I'm just going to glue them in place. I used a hot glue gun. You can use whatever glue, but just keep in mind that you are working with balloons, so you have to be really delicate with them because you don't want them to pop. And then I just snipped off some of the greenery and did the same thing as with the balloons. I just laid them out first and then used my glue gun and glued them in place. And then I just added an extra little bow on one side because I thought it was cute, and it turned out so cute. I love it. And that's really it. It's a super simple and easy DIY. But yeah, I just thought it was super cute and wanted to share it with you guys. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. And thanks for watching. Bye. I love you. Bye.